Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here I am talking to you about how I made a better relationship with myself. We all know that relationship is the most important essential things to survive in this lives, and this is absolutely an important thing for every one of us. But first I would like to tell you about my story. Before 2019, I was very shy. I was very underconfident. I was very unhealthy person. Usually, like that time, I was talking in a negative way about myself, about my life, about my relationships, and I didn't aware about that, like how that was going on in my life. But after 2019, in last couple of years, I completely changed. And how I can change myself, I will tell you in this video. So we all know that relationship is the most important thing, and before make a relationship with other people, we have to make sure that we have to make a good healthy relationship with ourselves. And in this video I will going to talk about how we can make a good relationship with ourselves. you know but why do you want to make a good relationship with yourself? What would happen when you do this? Just ask yourself. And definitely when you make a good relationship with yourself, you will feel more good, you will feel more happy, you will feel more proud as the way you are. And just suppose, if you want to make your girlfriend happy, what would you do for her? First thing, and what she wants from you. She wants that you appreciate her. You have to say good words about her. You have to, all the time, whenever she anxious about her life, about a situation, it's your duty to make her feel relaxed. Make her and tell her, actually tell her that she's she's good, she's good enough as she's good enough to do all the required things in her life. It's your duty to motivate her. It's your duty to tell her that how capable she is. It's your duty to say positive words all the time, that she's beautiful, she's good enough, she can do anything that required. Okay, that these kind of things. If you love her, if you love her so much, then you will definitely do this, because you that time you suppose that she loves her and you love her. Okay, so at the same thing, like at the same time, at the same way, if you love yourself, it's your duty to say good words, good positive words to yourself every day, every moment of your life. It's your duty to make yourself feel good every time. And without saying a positive word, you couldn't do this. You have to say positive words. This is the first thing you have to do if you want to make a good relationship with yourself. And I did it. I did these are the things, like these things. So first thing, start saying positive words to yourself, like I'm capable to do everything. I can do anything. I am good enough. I love myself as the way I am. And these kind of things, I take care of myself, these kind of things. So start saying positive words. And the other things are, first thing, take, like, you start your self-care journey. Even as a boy, like usually we are not uh, we are not desperate to take care of yourself. But the self-care is not just about a girl. Self-care is about a human being. if you want to love yourself, if you want to make a good relationship, healthy relationship with yourself, you have to take care of yourself. And there are like three things: our body, our mind, our soul. So for our body, we have to take care of our body at any cost. We have to eat a good healthy food. We have to set boundaries in our life. This is important. Sometimes we become people pleaser. I don't know why, but even we are not aware about that, but we become sometimes like sometimes someone come to you and say that let's go brother, we, we should go there and we should go on a trip right now. And even that time, if you are not feeling good, but you say okay ठीक है चलते हैं, but it's your duty. If you are not feeling good to do something, if you are not feeling good to go somewhere, it's your duty to say no, that I don't want to go there because I'm not feeling good. And something like set boundaries in your work, in your friend circle, in your family, wherever, like whatever that's happening. So set boundaries for your body. Take care of yourself. Self care is important. Self love is also important, but without caring yourself, you can't love yourself. It's essential thing. Okay. So, and appreciate yourself as it is, like as I said that the your girlfriend story. You have to do all those things. You have to do all these things: set boundaries, take care of yourself, start your self love journey. And even these kind of things, I did it, guys. And I have been doing this. And I tell you guys, I also know that sometimes when I'm not following these kind of things in my life, I start feeling drained. I start feeling sucks. I start feeling not good, not happy. And that time I recognize, easily recognize, because I know that what's going on in my life. I recognize that I can easily do this. That what is the things that I have to do now. I truly believe in this thing, that if you start take care of yourself, if you start love yourself, if you start if you set boundaries about in your life, if you start saying good words to yourself, these are the things will help you to make a good relationship with yourself. And without making a good relationship with ourselves, we can't make a good relationship with others, with your family, with your friends, with your spouse. No one. If you are not making a good relationship with yourself, you are not having a good relationship with yourself, you can't do this. So if you want to, even if you want to make a good relationship with other, with your friend, with your spouse, with your loved one, make sure that first you have to make a good healthy relationship with yourself. Okay. Hope you got my point. And I did these things, that's why I feel good with myself. I'm having a good relationship with myself, and even my with my family, with my friends. These all the things. Thank you so much if you are listening and if you are watching till now. Actually, I'm here sharing my life experiences to you on my this channel. And also I'm here to improve my English communication. That's why you you see that sometimes I'm lacking. Okay. But I proud on myself. I feel good with myself because I know that I'm having a good relationship with myself. If I am not motivating myself, that time who care, like who do this thing for me? It's my duty. So make sure you you grab something from this video and do this, guys. Do this. It will definitely help you a lot. And if you have any kind of questions, just tell me in the comment box, and I will help you for sure. And you can also connect with me on my Instagram. Okay, link in the description. You can also connect with like on Clubhouse and all of these things. All the links are mentioned in description. Thank you. If you are watching till now, subscribe my channel, it will help me a lot. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.